All right, guys, so I just got home and check this out, all right? Ready? When we go around this corner, oh my gosh, look. Look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. It is so flippin' huge. You see what that says? BAMBU Lab X1 Series Combo. Yeah, so I got the BAMBU Lab X1C and oh, this thing is heavy. And so is my excitement. So let's go ahead and open this right now. I'm so in love. Ooh, look at that. It comes with a motor you can throw on your benchy. Oh my gosh. It comes with the motor for the benchy. Stop playing. Carefully pull this off. Battery backup, just in case the power goes out. I don't want to be losing my prints. They make quick start guides for a reason. All right, so let's first get the accessory box out. All right, so once these are removed, we can take out the AMS. Woo! Look at that. We got the one tube in the back, the Bowden tube, I think it's what their little tubes are called. We have, I'm assuming it's communication power back here. It's super nice that they have arrows telling you which screws to remove. Wow, that is a strong magnet. Oh. All right, guys, so I just wanted to get straight into it. I know it's really loud, but that's just because I have a ton of fans running. It's like 110 degrees in California right now. And I don't feel like running the AC because this is heating my room up. The touchscreen is super intuitive. It just went to sleep right there, but yeah, it's pretty nice, guys. It's printing TPU and it is going hecka fast. The TPU is loaded in the back right here. I am using the AMS. Currently, all I have in it right now is some PLA. I'm gonna be doing some PLA prints after this, but man, I've been doing a few prints with this. I printed a whole bunch of these, and if you want to see what these are for, it's for my Tesla FPV channel. So make sure to subscribe for that if you want to see some really cool stuff, what these are going to be used for. I love the software, it's super nice. I love the phone app as well. The whole ecosystem here is super dope. I really like it. I'm printing in TPU, so I just have one piece off right now, but the glass is down here. And then you also have this door. Everything is super well integrated. I love it so far. No complaints, except for maybe a few things. One, the instructions were okay setting it up. Like, you aren't gonna get confused, but it could be a little bit better. The light inside is kind of dim, and this is not too much of a problem right now because it's day, but at night, it's kind of hard to see inside, but I think it needs to be dim because of the LiDAR. I do like how the cover on the tool head is magnetic, so this can just be pulled off. That's super nice. Filament cutter is nice. The whole build quality, everything is super, super good. This is sometimes a little bit laggier than I would like. Right now, of course, it's performing just fine, but sometimes going through the settings, yeah, it will, I like right there, it kind of just lagged a little bit, just a little bit, nothing too crazy. It is still pretty good. I do like the AMS. It shows you like the cabin humidity. You can load, unload filaments. I currently have a spool in there right now. We can pick the color, we can pick the material, the manufacturer, the minimum and maximum nozzle temperature, all of this stuff. I just can't set it right now because it's printing. We have to wait till it's done, but it's almost done, like 10 minutes left, and then we can come back here and do this. So I'm super happy with my purchase. It was like $1,500 to be fully transparent. I did get it on sale, but you know what? Can't put a price on fun, and I plan on having a whole lot of fun with this guy. If there's any cool stuff you want to see about it, I'll be the guinea pig. If you're interested in it, just leave like a comment below and I can like show you around it. If you're interested in buying one or if you're just curious, yeah, let me know and I'll show you mine. So any questions, just leave them below and we can make an in-depth video or short video about this guy. This guy, the phone app, or the software itself, and comparing it, upgrading from the Ender 3 V2. This was my previous printer, and I know it's a huge step up, but if you have any questions about that upgrade, yeah, let me know below. I'm not just gonna get rid of this guy. I still have some plans for it, a few upgrades I'm doing, like an all metal hot end, replacing this tube, few things. So I'm still gonna be using this. It'll be quite interesting. You're gonna wanna see that. So yeah, you can see it's not very bright, but I also believe that's having to do with the print bed being on the up and down axis. I think that's the Z axis, so it's kind of obscuring a lot of the print. So let's go ahead and look at the actual printer itself. Look how fast it is printing that PLA. Compared to my Ender 3 V2, man, this thing is going supersonic speed. So if we take a look at this, I'm just printing a bolt and screw gauge. We only have like 40 minutes left to go. That is pretty good compared to my other printer. This is what it looks like inside of here. Really just going at it. And what I did when you're not using the individual spool holder in the back is I just took it out and then I reconnected the AMS. Say the AMS cable goes down here to the AMS, and loading the AMS was super simple. You just press the load button. Once you put it in, it loads it automatically. And yeah, it just pushed that black filament all the way through the tube to the printer, and it looks super good. If I put my hand right here, oh yeah, I can feel it being tugged in. Heck yeah, guys. So that is it, going from TPU to PLA flawlessly. Now I'm done. Have a great weekend and enjoy your prints, whether it's the X1 Carbon or any other printer. Just have fun with it.